get a video of it. It's pretty cool.
Okay, try this.
It's not gonna stay.
They're all metric, so we're gonna have to see if we can find the right one.
Ooh, that's really close. That's,
Bigger?
yeah, no, that's nice and tight. I think that's good.
Okay.
Wait, maybe just a hair bigger.
I can go up 1 mil.
15, 16. I mean, the problem is that the ratchet is too tiny. Or the wrench, I mean. Oh, you stuck too long.
I've got channel locks. I feel like the crescent's probably the best way. You just gotta really get it tight.
Yeah, it just keeps opening. I mean, that's tight. But then I have to get behind it. I have to drop it in while this is on here. Take this off, put this on, drop this in, tighten it up, if I can. It's just, there's just so much going on here. This seems okay, it's not bent or anything.
Try this on the
Theoretically.
end of the...
On this?
Yeah, use the other end.
It's too small.
Okay, here. It might be 17 too. There's a side with an arrow. And that's the one.
Too small. Arrow? Okay, gotcha.
So if you have that way facing you, that will be tight.
Gotcha. Too small.
Good.
Too small. That should do it.
Okay, I was gonna say that's the biggest one.
That's the biggest one. Come on, baby. Push that out of the way. I think it moved. It's moving. Look at that. It's coming. That thing is really on there, though. It's a cool ratchet. Still has a ways to go, though, once you get to the end. Oh. Okay, now I'm up against it, so.
If you take the washer out, will it fit?
It goes in the hole if I do that. I like this tool. Came that far, so that's good. Be nice if we just sort of keep going now. I think this will just, maybe if it got all the way to threads. I thought it was too big though. It's almost the perfect size, actually. Now it's going to widen the pipe, though, and if I do that. No, it's not. It's going to bottom out. The threads are, yeah, the threads are going to, it's not going to make it. Boy, I just
Well,
need
maybe
to,
I can find a washer that's
exactly half inch to slip around it. Trying to get that stupid little thing off right there. Or another piece of pipe. That'd be the same size. How about just another piece of copper pipe that's about that long? We'll put the washer on that.
Do we have another piece of pipe?
I threw some away that were the stub cutouts.
Oh, all of them trash.
This is too big. Alright, this goes on here, but it's gotta be perfect. This goes on here. First this. No, this gotta go way back. And this. Should just solder this on here if we can. Make a little push thing for it. Is that gonna work? Nope, more. Might make it. More, back it up more. There it goes. Okay, this is perfectly lined up. I think I got it, essentially. So this way now, right? Let's go. That's coming. Oh, it's getting stuck. I think it's coming, dude. It's getting a little bent. It's going sideways. Okay, I think it's kind of off now. Okay, I don't want over to. Let's see what happens. Oh boy. It's almost there. I don't know how to set this whole thing up again. That's just the fault of the little wrench, you know? The wrench opens. It's gonna go sideways again. As tight as I can get it. Uh-oh. I mean, that's really, really tight and hard to... I gotta get in there. Alright, so I don't think that's... Might be able to get out of it. give you a channel lock now. There's one on the switch there, keep it on.
Vice grips.
Yeah, vice grips, I mean. Channel lock. Oh, it broke. It broke a little bit. That's not good. Oh boy. I should just try to wiggle it now that it's kind of come this far. Oops, I'm the wrong way. Oh, it's gonna be all chewed up by the time I'm done with this. Oh. Oh. We got it. Yes!
Victory.
I don't think the pipe's even feels fine. This thing's all chewed up though. Here. We do.
That's kind of short.
Woo! That's a good method.